This is what we got. Poor guy outdoor cooking. Hey, hey. Uh, so we do a lot of sausage on our channel. Why? Because I like it. Aiden likes it. And we do a lot of sausage now that I think about it. Maybe I should change my channel name to Poor Guy Sausage. Poor Guy Sausage. Anyway, this is what I found at Walmart yesterday, and we got it. We got to try it. Aiden and I will be participating in this, and nobody else. So it's a small batch craft sausage. It's cracked pepper. Now this is a little pricey for the poor guy. It was $4.72, I think. You get 4 sausages in there. But they had like 3 different varieties. One was a regular. One was made with beef brisket, I guess. Watch out for doggies. And then we found this one that has cracked pepper. So we're going to try this, Aiden and I. And this is going to be our video this week. So I'm going to do it on the rotisserie, if anyone see me do that. It's a lot of fun, and it cooks them real nice. So we got some charcoal starting right there. See that? See that charcoal? And that's just some royal oak. See that over there? That's my charcoal, royal oak. That's what I'm using today, just briquettes. And I use Cowboy brand. And next week's video will feature that big red bag of B&B Better Burning Charcoal Competition char logs. That'll be next week's video. There's my little shed. Don bought that for me, and I put a lot of my barbecue equipment in there, and got it out of the garage because it's tornado season, and we like to park our cars in the garage so I don't get any more hail damage to my vehicle. So come on back, and we'll get these ready, and we'll get them on the rotisserie, and we'll start cooking these, and we're going to taste them. Right on. I say peace. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to edit that part out or not. We had a little bit of drama starting this up again. Again, is my mic on? Okay, my mic is on. Good. Okay, look at. All right, that's what we got going on. Sausages, Texas Smokehouse. I failed to tell you all that these are fully cooked, and so we're just warming them up. It says on the directions to get them to 165. I don't know, maybe that's for flavor or texture, but if they're fully cooked, I'm not too worried about that. But get close to them, honey. See if you can get close. Don's helping me record. Look at all the pepper in there. They look fantastic. And this is kind of a fun way to cook sausage on this $75 expert grill rotisserie from Walmart. So we're just warming them up, and you can see things are starting to happen here. And granted, yeah, you're poking the sausage in there, so you may lose a little bit of juice. But we've cooked a few different sausages this way, and they just come out outstanding. They cook evenly, especially when they're curled up. You know, to try to get them cooked evenly, you get a nice char for even cook evenly, and they're evenly cooked. So we like them when they're cooked evenly. This is a great way to do it. So we're going to get these cooked up a little bit more. I haven't temped them. I'm not going to. We're going to get them to the way we like them, the way they look, and then we'll come back, and Aiden and I will test them out. The Phantom Chef. Ooh. Stay tuned, Mary. All right, we'll be back. Peace. We're going to taste these. I took my microphone off, so you might hear some traffic go by. We're doing everything outdoors today. Aiden's got his all dressed up with a bun and some mustard, and I'm just going to do mine bunless. Texas Smokehouse. Seems like the casing is real nice. It's got a good texture to it already. I'm gonna dip mine in mustard, and let's give this a try. Cheers. Oh, lovely. Oh,
I heard that. That was loud.
Got a good pop. It's got a real good texture. The pepper is coarse. Oh yeah, there's some pepper. It's a coarse ground pepper.
Kind of reminds me of a summer sausage.
A little bit, huh? These are good. If you like pepper, because there's a good amount of pepper in these. See if you can see that. They're nice and juicy. They're cooked perfectly. They're not really cooked, I guess, like they're warmed up. It's got a real good texture, good flavor.
To be honest, it's kind of hard to eat in a bun like this.
Is it?
Because
Yeah, they're dense. I like them. Yeah. If you like pepper, if you don't like pepper, you're not gonna like these. But they got a good flavor. It's a real good texture. They're very dense, and the casing on them is it's got a good, but it's a tough bite. It's a tough bite. So they actually have a website. They have a YouTube channel. I don't think they do much with the YouTube channel, but I'll share the link to their website if you're interested in looking at them. It's a good product. I'm really interested in trying the brisket one, so maybe if I get a bonus from work or something, I'll get a brisket flavor because they're like almost $7 for 4 of them. But that does interest me, so maybe someday I'll get back to that. But I did get these at Walmart. They're very good. They're not spicy, but they are peppery, and I like that. Phantom, what do you got to say?
Good.
Phantom says they're good. All right, that's what we got for you this week. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. This is not what we're having for Mother's Day, so we'll be cooking later. All right, everybody, thank you. Peace.